And what was the address again?
The address is, well, it says that you're like less than a mile away, but
Okay.
it is 423
Yep.
South 5th Street,
South 6th Street.
Thermopolis.
Okay, you got it. Yep.
Yeah,
Alrighty.
5th Street, Thermopolis. Yeah,
Yeah.
82443.
Yeah. So, okay. So no problem. 423 South 6th Street. Okay. No problem.
No, 5th.
Or
like
South 5th.
five.
Oh, South 5th. 5th. Oh.
Yeah, 5th.
Oh, okay. South 5th. Okay.
5th.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
South
Okay.
5th Street.
Yes. Okay, no problem.
Good morning, YouTube. Well, I was ready for this. I knew that somebody was going to need some assistance today, and I've been warming up the old Toyota. Wasn't sure I was going to try to start the van, but I thought for any emergency services I could take this four-wheel drive Toyota and hopefully take care of the issue. Today's issue is not really a locksmith issue. It is a jump start. So I'm going to go there. I grab my my jump pack, and we're going to go try to get this customer vehicle started. Oddly enough, it's another Toyota, so we like helping out Toyotas. We're a Toyota family. So I'm here. I'm just putting the old. Gosh, it is just freezing. I should have gloves on. I should have a hat on. I should have a heavier coat on. Everything. But you know me. I got to live dangerously. So anyway, got the jump pack on. I am rushing out here, and I'm hoping that we can. I know it's a Toyota, so I know I'm going to get this thing to start. So got the jump pack on it, and I'm going to hopefully crank this thing over, and hopefully it will start.
Woohoo! We're going! Woo! All right. Okay, have a good one. Stay safe.